Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
So we should utilize this time to make solution of the life that we are repeatedly dying and again accepting another body. So how they will understand unless they come to the proper Guru? Therefore Shastra said, Tadvijnanartham, if you want to know the real problem of your life and if you want to be enlightened, how to become Krishna conscious, how to become eternal, go back to home, back to Godhead, then you must approach the Guru. And who is Guru? That is explained, very simple thing. Guru never manufactures idea. That you do this and give me money and you become happy. That is not good. That is another process of earning money. So, here, it is said, Mura, everyone who is simply living in the fool's paradise, manufacturing his own ideas, like Ojami. Somebody has taken, this is my duty, somebody is... He is a fool. You must know what is your duty from Guru. You are singing every day, Guru Mukho Padma Vakko Chittete Koriya Okka Arana Koriya Manayo. This is life. This is life. Guru Mukho Padma, you accept the bona fide Guru and what he orders you, carry out, then your life is successful. Arana Koriya Manayo. You rascal, you do not desire anything else. Are you not singing daily? But do you understand the meaning? Or we are singing only? What is the meaning? We will explain. Nobody knows? Yes, what is the meaning?
My only wish is that I might be purified by the word and the mouth and spiritual master. I have no other desire to do.
Yes, this is the order. Guru Mukha Padma Vakka Chittete Koriyai. Now, Chitta means consciousness or heart. I shall do this only. But my Guru Maharaj told me, I shall do it. Chittete Koriyaya Ka Arana Koriya Manya. So, it is not my pride, but I can say for your instruction, I did it. Therefore, whatever little success you see, then all my God brothers, it is due to this. I have no capacity. But I took it, the words of my Guru, as life and soul. So this is fact. Guru Mukha Padma Vakka Chittete Koriya. Everyone should do that. But if he makes addition alteration, then he is finished. No addition alteration. You have to approach Guru. Guru means the faithful servant of God, Krishna, and take his word how to serve him. Then you are successful. If you concoct, I am very intelligent than my Guru, and I can make additional alteration, then you are finished. So, that is the only. Sing further. Siguru Charane Rati Seisi Uttamagati. If you want to make real progress, then you must be firmly faithful at the lotus feet of Guru. Then Je Prasadesh Pure Sarva As. Jasya Prasadas, this is the instruction in the whole Vaishnava philosophy. So unless we do that, we remain mura and the This is explained in this Ajami Upakhand. So today we are reading this verse. Sahibang Bhattamana Agya. Again he says. Again, Vasudev says, that this rascal was situated in that absorbed in the service of his son, Narayan, of the name. He did not know what is this nonsense Narayan. He knew his son. But Narayana is so merciful that because he was constantly calling his son, Narayana, please come here. Narayana, please take this. So, Krishna was taking, that is chanting Narayana. Krishna is so merciful. He never meant that I am going to Narayana. He wanted his son, because he was affectionate. But he got the opportunity of chanting the holy name of Narayana. This is his good fortune. Therefore, according to this, we change the name. Why? Because every name is meant for becoming a servant of Krishna. So, just like Upendra. Upendra means Bhamande. So, if we call Upendra, or similarly, that name is taken account of. So that will be explained later on.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.